water supply to the muscles of mastication. As we saw in the last section, the trigeminal nerve emerges from the pons and passes forwards. To follow it, we'll go to an earlier stage of the dissection that we've been looking at. The trigeminal nerve passes forwards from the pons into a tunnel in the dura. The tunnel leads into a side cavity, the trigeminal cave, which we'll expose by removing the overlying dura. Here's the trunk of the nerve. Here are its three branches, the ophthalmic, the maxillary, and the mandibular. All the sensory fibers of the trigeminal nerve synapse in this massive ganglion, the trigeminal ganglion. In relation to the dry bone, the trigeminal ganglion is here. The openings for the three branches are the superior orbital fissure for the ophthalmic, the foramen rotundum for the maxillary, and the foramen ovale for the mandibular. The first branch of the trigeminal, the ophthalmic nerve, passes forwards through the superior orbital fissure. As it passes through the fissure, it divides. It gives off the frontal nerve, which runs just beneath the roof of the orbit, and divides into cutaneous branches which go to the forehead. In addition, the ophthalmic nerve gives rise to the lacrimal nerve, which supplies the lacrimal gland, and the nasociliary nerve, which gives off one or more ethmoidal nerves and a cutaneous branch, the infratrochlear nerve. Through two long ciliary nerves, here's one of them, the nasociliary nerve provides sensation to the eyeball. The branches of the frontal nerve that we saw emerge onto the face around the orbital margin or through openings in it. The branches of the frontal nerve are the supraorbital, the supratrochlear, and the infratrochlear. These supply the forehead, the upper eyelid, and the upper part of the nose. The ethmoid branches of the nasociliary nerve supply this part of the lining of the nasal cavity.